Welcome to a video walk around from Kelowna, Toyota. We are located at 1624 Carey Road in Kelowna, BC, Canada, right here in the heart of the Okanagan. Today we're going to take a look at this 2015 Dodge Grand Caravan. We have seating for 7 with stow and go seats, and power comes from a 3.6 liter V6 engine mounted to an automatic transmission and front wheel drive. From the side we've got our sliding doors as well as black trim and black door handles. Moving around to the front, we are going to find the large raked windshield for excellent visibility, the front mounted antenna, and the chrome trimmed grille. Inside we have some great features too, so let's hop right in and check out what the interior has to offer. Jumping inside, if we check out the door panel over here, we've got our power locks and windows and mirrors. And then taking a look at the left hand side of the steering wheel, we will find our trip meter and our Bluetooth calling. And then over here on the right, we will find our cruise control. Moving on over to the center console, we have an AM FM stereo with Sirius satellite radio that does come with a 3-month subscription, a Bluetooth, and a CD player. Moving down, we'll find our dual zone electronic climate control with air conditioning, and down here is our traction control and econ mode. We've got a whole ton of storage in here, and then our large lock-in glove box. If we spin around, we have seating for 3 in the second row, or 2 in the second row, sorry, and seating for 3 in the back, making this a 7-passenger van. So let's hop out and check out the rear of the vehicle and see how the third row seats work. So moving around to the back, we are going to find our Dodge and Grand Caravan badging, as well as a color matched rear spoiler and bumper. And then opening up the lift gate, we just grab this latch under here and it pulls right up. Right now I've got the 60% part of the 60/40 fold down seats up, and we have a nice deep cargo area right there, even with the third row seats up. It's nice and easy to stow the seats. We're just going to grab strap number 1 right there, and then the rest of them are labeled. We've got number 2 right down there, 3, and 4. So we've got options here of expanding your cargo space. You can either have 2 or 3 passengers in the back, and then we do have the stowable second row seats as well. We will just close that up. Thank you very much for taking the time to check out this 2015 Dodge Grand Caravan with me. If you'd like to see it for yourself, come down to 1624 Carey Road right here in Kelowna. If you have some questions before making the trip, you can call us Monday to Saturday or find us online anytime at KelownaToyota.com to get all the details on this van and to browse the rest of our new and used inventory. I hope everyone's doing fantastic. Please drive safe, and we look forward to seeing you soon.